friends, it's Marcy here with Creators Call Shop here on YouTube and Creators Call on Etsy. And today I have a really fun video to share with you. I'm so excited. My friend Michelle is here to share with us a book that she has altered, and it has now become a wedding guest book. So she had a friend ask her to do this, and she has come up with something amazing and beautiful, I'm sure. And today we're just going to go through it together, and please ignore the dog in the background. So anyway, go ahead and get yourself a drink, get yourself comfortable, and we'll be back in just a minute to see what Michelle made. It's going to be fabulous. And we're back. So Michelle, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here.
Thank you. I'm so excited to show you what I did.
Yes, and her grandson Finn is with us today too. This is just going to be amazing. You always do the most amazing work. And why don't you get started? I'm just going to let you explain what you did.
Okay.
And I'll try not to talk too much.
So my friend asked me to make a wedding guest book for her, and she sent me a picture of her inspiration. And it was an old book, and it was really thick, and it had the old-fashioned or the handmade paper things in it, and I couldn't find any paper that I thought would work for this without it costing $1 million, because I was trying to keep it, keep the cost low for her. And so I found this Reader's Digest condensed book. And I'm pretty sure it was the February edition, because it has a lot of love stories in it. And she's an English teacher, a high school English teacher, and so I'm like, hey, this is gonna be the perfect book for her.
Do you remember the copyright date? It was like 1960s? I don't remember.
I think it was earlier than that.
50s even,
in the
maybe?
50s, yeah. I don't remember.
Cool.
It might be in here though.
Okay, all right.
If I didn't cover that page. Anyway,
Right,
and so as I was creating this and learning and getting ideas from other people, other videos and stuff, it kind of morphed into what this is right now. And it's nothing like what she looked, what the inspiration, it doesn't look anything like what she sent me.
If I can find that photo, I'll insert it.
I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
But this is what I'm excited about it, and I hope that she likes it.
Yeah,
so I haven't quite figured out how to get this all the way in yet, but so it's a pretty tight fit, and I might do some more embellishment on here for her. Yeah. But and pull this out.
I love it already.
Yeah. And she has her wedding colors. It's in December. Her wedding is in December. I need to glue that back down. And her, she has kind of an old-fashioned, rustic, almost Dickensian style wedding decor. Yeah. And that was really tripping me up because I couldn't figure out decorations to go with that. And then she sent me a picture of her headpiece. And her headpiece looks almost like this. And as soon as I saw the picture of her headpiece, it all just came together. Yeah. And so this is the outside, and I decoupaged tissue paper with words on it, and then put the gold leaf paint, just sponged it on there. And then this, believe it or not, is a Dollar Tree embellishment.
What?
Yeah. Okay. And then I have ink pens that I wrote. I made a little, I found online the font that I liked. Okay. And I just made a little carbon copy and traced it on there and then colored it in with my ink
you did
pens.
fabulous. It looks like one that you would have rubbed on or like a sticker. I don't know, something.
Yeah,
that
good.
was,
I'm glad that you
yeah,
said that.
I wouldn't have been able to do that.
Anyway, I did the front and the back, and then I gold leafed the edges, and that was Marcy's idea.
Yay!
So I painted the edges of the book with gold leaf, and then this is the inside. So
it's
got their picture right there, and another picture.
She's gonna be YouTube famous now.
Yeah, now she's gonna be YouTube famous.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna make your photos on
Yeah.
my channel. Not that I have 25 subscribers right now.
Her invitation had a little story about their engagement, so I
Aw.
just cut it out and pasted it in there. And then I have a whole bunch of these stickers,
Yeah,
and they just decorated the whole book.
I love that.
So-
So you'll have a lot of gold.
A lot of this is, yeah, she loves the gold shiny. So this is transfers from the dollar store or Dollar Tree too.
Wow,
Yeah,
alright.
yeah. So then there was some fun love stories in here, and I didn't want to take them out, so I didn't.
Right.
And I just left the stories in that were love stories. This one is a man called
I
Peter.
have that book.
Yeah,
It's a really good story.
Yeah.
It's really good.
and she can read it.
I shouldn't say story. It's actually a biography, but
Yeah,
it's a good love story.
yeah, it's a great love story.
Mhm.
So then, please sign our guest book, and people I left. This is just cardstock, not cardstock, but
Paper.
yeah, just regular paper that I had. I had a lot of this stuff, and then I just went through. I ripped out the stories that weren't love stories, and
Wow.
Yeah.
I like that page.
some pages I like more than others.
Yeah. Well, and incorporating her colors and her
Mhm.
her likes, that
Yeah.
she's passionate about books and things, and then also it's Christmas, so you had a lot of
Yeah,
things to tie together to make it cohesive.
yeah, cheaper by the dozen.
Oh, I read that book as a kid. I love that
Fun
story. That
yeah.
was great.
And there's a few movies.
Yeah,
about
yeah,
it.
they're really good.
This is some stuff I found online, and I just wrote in their names, like it, like it's a real marriage
like
certificate.
it's old-fashioned. Cool.
Some old pictures I just found online, stickers. Tried to make it festive. I tried to incorporate as much of her wedding stuff that I knew that
Yeah.
she sent me pictures of her decorations,
Oh, good.
and it just goes on and on and on.
So will they have like a little paper clip or something where they can like mark pages, or
I
a
hope
guest
so.
book attendant?
Yeah,
hopefully
I'm
that will
gonna
be,
gonna suggest that they have an attendant to flip pages.
Yeah, I think that would be good.
So, but it's big enough that Little Britches. It's not really a love story, but it's a story about a father and son relationship that's really cute.
Mm-hmm. I haven't read that one.
So it's cute. More.
More blah blah.
Finn's been watching me make this book, so he's a little over it.
Yeah,
I've been
it takes a while,
watching-
doesn't it?
I watched a movie I was never allowed to watch.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, you're living dangerously, man. Grandma's distracted. You get away
Yeah.
with
Oh, the long trailer. This is it's made into a movie too, but it's a fun little story about a couple on their honeymoon.
Oh,
More old-fashioned stuff that all of this stuff I found online or I had, and I just incorporated it all into.
that was gorgeous.
I hope she liked it.
Oh, I'm sure she will. She will. And you've got room too for her to add other pictures,
Yeah,
like from the wedding or
exactly.
what have you.
And if they don't fill up, the guests don't fill up all of the pages, she can use
She
it
can
for
put more
guest
photos
registry
in.
or gift
Mhm.
registry. She can father of the bride.
She could even take it to her showers if she wants and put
Yes,
it in the
yeah.
back, keep track of the.
This is a fun
gifts and
story,
things.
Penny from Heaven.
Aw, I love this book.
Yeah, I like the book. She's gonna like it because it's an old book.
Yeah,
So
it's beautiful.
It's
Definitely
actually
looks
a
good,
new book that's been looked like an old.
Yeah.
it's not really a love story. It sort of
Is
is.
that a puppy though?
Yeah, little puppy. And then the kiss and happily ever after.
I love
Yeah,
it. You did a
that's
great
it.
job. That
Yeah.
is so nice. Good job. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Oh, my
That's
pleasure.
super
I was
awesome.
excited to
Turn
get
out
it
so
done and
pretty.
show it to
I
you.
just have to touch it for a
Yeah.
minute. So I think, honestly, if maybe you just set a little weight on it, it might
Yeah, I
compress
have
it just enough to help.
I'm gonna I've had it in some
So
clamps.
You did a great job.
So I'm gonna go. I have a little board that I put on the top and the bottom, and then I clamp it.
Yeah,
So
that'll be good.
Kind
That'll
of
be really
keep
nice.
shut a little bit.
Oh wow,
so.
she's gonna be so delighted.
It's nothing like
Right.
her
Well,
the inspiration, but
it is kind of, but not really, because you took it and did your own twist
Yeah.
of it, which
well,
is.
and that lady, she sent it to me from Pinterest.
Oh, okay.
So Annie sent me the pictures from Pinterest.
Which doesn't have like a lot of
No.
instruction probably on it.
No, and the book that she was gonna buy from the lady was like $170.
Oh my. Oh.
And I was like,
You're like, hey man, I can totally do
I
that.
can totally.
Don't you do that?
So in materials, I don't have very much.
No, because you said
Money.
you owned
Maybe
the book
$30.
before, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And
Maybe $30 in
Yeah.
materials.
because you already had a lot
Yeah.
of this stuff. So
Right.
I forget, the book though was special to you. I forgot.
Yeah,
The
so my
significance.
aunt, so for our family at Christmas does huge family Christmas parties, and we have White Elephant Gift Exchange.
Oh, okay.
And my aunt brought a couple of these books for a White Elephant Gift
Yay.
Exchange. And I was the one who grabbed her gift and opened it, and I hid it because
You're like, oh no.
I was like, I love
It's just
this.
an old book.
You don't want this.
Nobody would want
You know,
this. I'll
You
take
know,
it
and
off
for
your
book
hands.
lovers,
Yeah. this is-
it smells like an old book
Oh,
too.
I love that.
So I think Annie,
oh yeah.
being
Oh, yeah.
that she's a book lover, is gonna love that aspect of it as well. So yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing it with me
My
and for being
pleasure.
willing to speak on camera.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off now, and then you can stop listening to my dog bark.
Yay.
All right, everybody. So until next time, I want you to do something creative and be inspired today. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.